Hi, my name is Mr. Baker. I'm one of the agricultural education teachers here at Fairfield Union. Um, Really looking forward to this school year, and it's going to be an adventurous school year. Um, I've got I'm a graduate of New Lexington High School and a graduate of the Ohio State University. I studied agricultural education at Ohio State, and have really enjoyed over the last 5 years in my transition finally as an agriculture instructor. Just enjoyed teaching that type of curriculum. Um, I've got 19 years of teaching in, and 15 of those have been here at Fairfield Union, so you may know someone that I've taught. Um, Class rules, this year is going to be unique. I just want to make sure that every one of the students knows the student handbook and abides by those rules. In my classroom, I really want to, kind of have a classroom of respect, abide by, the word respect as far as respecting the equipment here, respecting the furniture, respecting your classmates, respecting me. And I think if, we just come in here with that idea of respect, and everything else is going to take care of itself. But I do believe I need to mention, I really want to make sure, especially being Fairfield Union has purchased Chromebooks, and every student has a Chromebook. Really need to make sure that there's no cell phones in my class. Make sure you silence those or have those put away, and don't utilize them while we're teaching. This year, wear your face mask. I mean, it's an order, and it's going to be a rule, and it's going to be something that we need to get used to. So you're going to want to do that. And we should have a pretty good year if we can cover those things. Syllabus curriculum wise, I'm the forestry teacher here at Fairfield Union. We've got 4 forestry classes. It seems to be a very, very popular class here. Normally do a lot of outside instruction. We'll see how that goes this year as far as the COVID stuff going on, how we can get you transported back to the land lab. A lot of tree ID, learning how to timber cruise forest, measure trees, all those things involved in forestry. And then I also teach an energy systems class, a really interesting class. We do some hands-on things in there, and the CO2 car production and race seems to be a favorite thing for kids to do in that class. My last class that I teach is capstone, and really capstone, there's allowed to be a lot of creativity in capstone, and kids are allowed to pick projects or do things, and we oftentimes build things for the school and stuff in that capstone class. So overall, it's going to be a very unique, exciting year. We need to try to get through it together and be open-minded, and I'm really looking forward to getting started.